Wanted to do a quick reshoot of this 52-inch air-cooled Hampton Bay ceiling fan. I ran it for several hours and it seemed to freeze the bearings up. So I need to reshoot this because the speeds are greatly improved. So I will go ahead and turn this on low. Again, this is 4-blade only, air-cooled Hampton Bay 153 motor. Now low, instead of being 45 RPM, it's running about 70. We'll turn on medium. A little bit of hum, typical of air-cool. Running about 140 RPM on medium now. And when we get to high, this thing absolutely takes off. Not much at all in the way of bearing noise anymore, and it's putting out a great amount of air, especially for it being just a 153 millimeter motor. Probably doing about 220 RPM right now. Hear the air being moved. Just reverse it real quick. Again, the bearing noise has all but disappeared. So, shooting it with a little WD-40, running it for several hours. Basically got a brand new fan here. Again, still running about that 220 on the reverse. So again, 52-inch Hampton Bay, air-cool, antique brass, whatever model name has been debated on the boards. But it's going to a good home. So hopefully I'll find more of these in the future. Air-cool, in the early days, did put out a pretty good product. Wobbly as they may be, they ran pretty good. So thanks again for watching the update to my video. And I'll have more fan videos to come very soon. Thank you so much.